This is Project White Tiger, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. White Tiger is painted in full gloss Chawton white with black accents. White Tiger sits on 16-inch Wolf steel wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage painted in white, a slimline front bumper with daytime running lights and panoramic style rear windows. Inside, White Tiger features an NRG Innovations wood steering wheel with Nostalgia VT gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Bellissimo leather, stitched together in Garrett Natural. White Tiger is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout.